Hey everyone, it's Rich Noto, Florida, licensed realtor, home inspector at Notary Public. So right now we are at the preserve at sunrise. Got some good rain coming down, so I'm trying to work with it here. I'm gonna go into this room, this home. It's called a Kensington Flex. Now, Hanover is definitely one of my favorite builders as far as the floor plans go. It's really hard to beat how they set everything up. Very well thought out. There's a lot of options with the floor plans. Okay, so let's go check this out. So you got a nice bedroom. Let's check out the bathroom. Now you're gonna notice again that the countertops are laminate, and that's pretty common over here in Groveland. You know, that's typically your standard part of the basic package. As I've said in some other videos, sometimes just the town that you're purchasing a new home makes your standard package comparable to an upgrade in another town. So for example, in other towns, like for example in Winter Garden, at the very minimum you're going to have granite. So over here at the minimum you have laminate. Nice size room, large room. So let's check out this laundry room. Got some cabinets. Now let's check out this bedroom. Now, as always, if you're interested in purchasing a home here or anyplace else, please always contact me first before you start contacting home builders. As soon as you contact them and you surrender your email, your phone number, or your name, then what happens is it's common for some builders to just totally void and prevent you from getting your free realtor representation. Now, the great thing about the free representation is that the builder is paying for you to be able to have a realtor working for you, representing you. And you always want people that work for you in the process. It's a common misconception that people think when they go into the builder, the salesperson is working for them, and that is not true. It will be in your contract. Salespeople work and represent Okay, so I'm inside the closet. I'm giving you an idea of how big it is. I'm kind of up against the coat hangers that are behind me. There's your wall. Definitely a nice sized closet. Over here you can see the countertop is granite. Let's get another look at this room over here. In your rear lanai, or patio, as the people from up north would say. People like me.
When you're done, why not catch up on all the latest campaign coverage by searching the 2020 election on TuneIn?
This is Smooth Jazz, exclusively on TuneIn.
And the garage is locked. And let's see if we could do the outside a little bit of justice now. Let's hope we're not raining. So this home was 2,103 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. That thunder's saying, hurry up.